So Euro USD is still onwards and upwards and been offering some really decent trades through the week, been quite profitable. I think we did pull back onto a level, and we then moved back up to the next level. So I think we're going to be consolidating again at this level that we're at now, and I'll give them to you shortly before another move to the upside. Ultimately, I still believe 117. Let me just get this level right. 117,500 is the level that we want to be paying attention to. Okay, so just recap of yesterday, you can see we had moved down onto a level. There was a breakout level and pretty strong rally. Then we pulled back onto another level. You can see these inside tails here, and then bought off that. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Either a pullback back into, use this level, pullback back to this area here of 115,946, or alternatively a break above 116,155. I want to see a break and a retest and then start accumulating for a move to the upside. But that's pretty much the two moves that I'm looking at the moment. So trend is up, trading with a trend, just waiting for structure on that one. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, difficult one, this one. We had this kind of, we had a trend line and then we were forming a bit of a wedge. Sorry, I'm on the hour. Let's just get here. So basically, trend is up. You can see move, consolidate, move, and we are forming a consolidation pattern here, although we've broken through this 8-hour trend line. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so 3 levels inside here that we are bouncing off at the moment. But now if we come to the hour, this is where it becomes a little bit interesting. So we had, okay, well, there's one trend line there, but we had this set up here and retest. So there's my wedge, breakout, retest, buyers come in, and we're going nowhere. So there's two scenarios at play here. So the one is that this wedge, let me just get rid of that. This little wedge here plays out and that we continue moving to the upside. And the other scenario is that this trend line is broken and we're going to move to the downside. At the moment, it's pretty much no man's land. This is in a channel. Sorry, not a channel, it's in a range. So we are ranging at the moment, going sideways, nothing really to pay attention to there. So what you're looking for now is a break and retest of that range at the moment. Okay, so it can go either way right now. No real clear direction, but still worth watching, because if we do break above the range and retest the range and start moving in a direction, it'll give you the direction we need to be. So break above and retest 107,276, then this wedge is in play. Break below 106,922, then this trend line is breaking on the bigger time frames, and you can expect a bit of volatility, but some shorts on offer. Pound USD, pretty much similar situation, all over the place right now. But if you look to the left, that's to be expected. We are still moving to the upside, so you should still be looking for longs here. And a difficult pair because there's a lot of noise around Brexit with the pound, and then the dollar's been attacked at the moment. So you can see we had this, where are we from yesterday? Yesterday we had this range, and was in here. We had the range, break up, break down. So here we had multiple ranges in actual fact. So we had one here, and then we had another one here. We've broken out, come back. But I think for me, this pair is actually pretty much sideways right now. We are in a bigger range. It is making higher lows. So, I mean, for me, I'd be looking for opportunities on the pullback to buy into this for a move to the upside. But it's low on my priorities at the moment because of the sideways action we've got now. So I think right now, I'll use this one here. The area that we're in right now, I want to see a break and retest of this area, which we're kind of busy with at the moment, but I want to see a higher breakup, stronger pullback onto it. Now, something like this or like this, which will give us an indication of what's going on. For now, this is sideways, so I'm going to wait for that to happen. I'm not really going to bother trading that today. Euro New Zealand dollar. Interesting thing for me here is this breakout that's underway. Okay, there you can see cup and handle here. If we come down to the hour, what we're looking for is a retest of this breakout. Okay, so I want to see price come back to 174,944, then start giving me some inside bars, pin bars, or engulfing bars on this level, and that will give me an opportunity to buy into this with a stop below the swing low. Pretty straightforward. This is a clear break, very strong break of a level. So watching this one with interest. And the last one is Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. And this is trending to the downside. So it's a bit messy, but it is definitely trending to the downside at the moment. I think by the looks of things, that trend line break was an attempt at a retest of the break to remove the upside, but now we're back below it. So what we should be looking for is the retest of those two levels for a short. Okay, so this one first has transpired already by the looks of things, but I'd still be paying attention to this. So 069063, we may be too late on this already, but we can use the next level. So here's the next area here, which would be 068990. So just bear in mind that you've got pretty much short targets, and we're already at the next target. So let's just get to a weekly level or something. Yeah, okay. So, but if you have a look at this, we've got a few strong levels here, but then we've had a strong move down, pretty strong attempted recovery, but it looks like a bit of a wedge that's formed, and now we're moving down. So I'd be very interested to see what happens here. Okay, so a breakout here. Let's just get this level here. So break of that low there, 068874. We've pretty much got very limited resistance. I think the next resistance is going to be all the way down here, which is 068268. So this is one that we really need to be paying attention to at the moment. Any breakout and retest of these levels here, 068874. The next one would be 068916. Any breakout and retest of those levels, you have a fairly decent swing trade on offer for 068268. Okay, so yeah, this one I'm watching very, very keenly. It may actually offer the opportunity today, but I'd prefer to be looking for it on Monday, to be honest, just to protect my sanity levels. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.